start by cleaning the mushrooms with a damp kitchen cloth. And then you just want to slice them. An onion, which you're going to peel and slice. And we're seasoning the onions and mushrooms with olive oil. I've just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, or use more or less to taste, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix to combine. Grease your air fryer basket with some non-aerosol cooking spray, or just brush it with some cooking oil as I'm doing. Preheat your air fryer at 190 degrees Celsius. And then you just want to transfer the mushrooms and onions to your air fryer basket. And as always, you don't want to overcrowd them. This is nice and hot. So this is done, and at this point you can just have a taste. Season with more salt and pepper if preferred, and then serve. These are perfect to serve on steak, pasta. Enjoy them as they are. The list is endless.